What if your next favorite gadget wasn't just useful, but also something you never knew you needed? Let's take a look at a device that might just make your life a little easier and a lot more fun. The Gozney Tread isn't just another backyard pizza oven, it's built to go wherever your adventures take you. Designed for portability, it comes with a sturdy tripod stand and a lightweight build, making it easy to set up anywhere. From campsites to beachside cookouts or even on the shores of Iceland. Just connect a gas tank and you're ready to cook. This powerful pizza oven heats up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to bake authentic Neapolitan-style pizzas in just 60 seconds. The manufacturer also offers handy accessories like a built-in tray that attaches to the oven and tools for slicing, flipping, and handling the pizza with ease. When you're done, pack everything up in the storage bag and head home without a hassle. If you're tired of your EDC collection piling up in drawers, collecting dust, and staying out of sight, this organizer's a game changer. The RotoSelect gives your knives, pens, and watches a proper showcase, making them part of your home's aesthetic while keeping them neatly organized and easy to access. At its core, RotoSelect is a rotating storage system with a large gear mechanism. Your collection is stored under a clear acrylic cover, and with a simple turn of the wheel, you can rotate between sections to select the item you need. Right now, it's available for knives, pens, and watches, but additional modular inserts are in the works for more EDC essentials. With a solid aluminum construction and a weight of over 11 pounds when fully loaded, it's designed for those who take their EDC game seriously. The starting price is $300, so it's definitely not for someone who just has a couple of budget knives laying around. It's for those with a collection worth displaying. Elgato just upgraded your productivity game with the new Stream Deck Neo. This compact version of the popular Stream Deck gives you 8 fully customizable keys and 2 convenient touch points, letting you instantly launch apps, websites, and streamline your daily tasks effortlessly. Perfectly sized for desks of any setup, the Stream Deck Neo easily integrates with your favorite apps like Zoom, Teams, PowerPoint, Photoshop, Spotify, and more. Drag and drop setup makes customization quick and intuitive, no tech skills required. It works with Mac and PC and is priced at $100. You've got smart devices, but your home still doesn't feel smart? That's because you need one hub to rule them all, and that's exactly what Homey Pro does. This all-in-one smart home hub lets you control all your devices from a single app, no matter the brand. It doesn't just make life easier, it actually automates your home, so devices work together without you constantly micromanaging them. Homey Pro works with all the major protocols, including Z-Wave, Zigbee, Bluetooth, Matter, Thread, and even infrared, so you can control some non-smart devices as well. It's fully compatible with voice assistant, so you can just tell Siri to handle things for you. With Homey, you can set up simple automations like turning off the lights and adjusting the thermostat when the last person leaves the house. Or go next level with multi-step routines that coordinate multiple devices to work together seamlessly under different conditions. Going on vacation? Set up your lights to turn on every 30 minutes to make it look like someone's home. No need to leave your kid behind like in Home Alone. Need better security? I set up my outdoor lights to turn on when my security camera detects a person or a car approaching at night. No motion sensors needed, just a smart trigger through Homey that turns the lights off again after 5 minutes. You don't need to be a tech wizard to set these up. Everything is intuitive and can be done from your phone or computer. Unlike many smart hubs, Homey Pro runs everything locally, so your data stays private and your automations keep working even if your internet goes down. And the cherry on top, no monthly subscription fees. Check out the link in the video description. If I were buying a drone right now, this would be my top pick. The DJI Flip is ultra compact, unlike my DJI Mavic Pro Cine, making it perfect for travel and quick flights. Sure, it doesn't have a Hasselblad camera, but it still delivers stunning 4K 60 frame per second HDR video and even shoots portrait clips in 2.7K. The RC2 controller gives an incredible 13-kilometer range, which is just insane for a drone this size. Plus, with a max flight time of 31 minutes, you can capture way more footage without constantly swapping batteries. Weighing just 249 grams, it doesn't require FAA registration, making it super convenient. You can launch it straight from your hand. And like all DJI drones, it has auto return, so you don't have to worry about losing it mid-flight. And the best part, it costs way less than other DJI drones of this level, starting at just $439. For everything it offers, that's an absolute steal. Imagine having a full Windows 11 PC packed inside a keyboard. That's exactly what Papaco offers. This all-in-one device combines a high-performance computer with a 12.3-inch touchscreen, letting you work, create, and multitask without needing a separate monitor or even a desk. Papaco can function as a standalone Windows 11 PC or connect seamlessly to your Mac, Windows, or Android device, serving as both a keyboard and a secondary display. With a 1920 by 720p resolution, the touchscreen provides ample space for coding, designing, or managing spreadsheets with ease. Designed for a premium typing experience, the 68-key QWERTY layout features hot swappable sockets, allowing you to customize keycaps and switches. Plus, with 20 RGB lighting modes, you can match the keyboard's ambiance to your workspace or gaming setup. Papaco also comes with built-in dual 3-watt speakers for clear audio, multiple ports for easy connectivity, and a powerful Intel Core i5 processor, ensuring fast performance. The 5,000 mAh battery delivers up to 6 hours of video playback, making it a great option for working on the go. Finally, a macro lens that was once only available for professional cameras is now accessible for your smartphone. The Cinetown clip-on macro lens lets you capture incredible close-up shots from the convenience of your phone, no heavy gear required. This 16mm lens with 4x magnification reveals the tiniest details, from intricate insect patterns to the shimmer of jewelry or the fine texture of everyday objects. Unlike standard macro lenses, this one doesn't require powerful lighting. It features built-in LED lights that illuminate hidden spaces, allowing you to shoot in low light conditions without extra equipment. It's also significantly more affordable, starting at just $250 compared to $1,500 for similar professional setups. Plus, it's ultralight, weighing about the same as a smartphone, making it easy to carry anywhere. Designed for content creators, this waterproof lens even allows you to shoot stunning underwater footage up to 5.5 inches deep. Whether you're a travel blogger, product photographer, or just love capturing unique perspectives, this clip-on lens is a game changer for mobile photography. Tired of settling for laptops designed by someone else? The Framework Laptop's a fully modular laptop built for tech enthusiasts who want complete control. Customize every part of it. Swap graphics cards like the powerful AMD Radeon RX 7700S. Pick keyboards, numpads, RGB macro pads, or even LED matrix modules. Need specific ports? You've got 6 slots to choose from, including USB-A, USB-C, HDMI, and Ethernet. With a high-performance AMD Ryzen 7040 processor, this laptop delivers speed, power, and security. Plus, you can easily disable your camera and microphone for maximum privacy. Currently available in a 16-inch version starting at around $1,400, with smaller models and a DIY desktop option coming soon. Finally, a laptop that's truly designed by you. The next gadget looks a bit like a printer with a pair of cartoonish eyes on top. It's designed to make AI interaction more lifelike. Instead of reading text on a screen, you get face-to-face conversations with a 3D holographic projection. The AI avatar mimics natural eye contact, making interactions feel more engaging. It's built to assist with learning, brainstorming, business advice, and even emotional support. Essentially, this is a chat GPT in gadget form, always on and ready to chat. In theory, it should function just like an AI assistant on your phone, but now as a standalone device. How well it remembers past conversations or how customizable it really is compared to ChatGPT, that's still a question mark. Hopefully it doesn't come with a monthly subscription, because the device itself starts at around $163 with a discount and will likely cost more later. At first glance, the Lingo Genie L2 might look like the lid of a soda can. But don't judge this gadget by its cover. This sleek little device is actually a powerful AI-powered translator. Connecting easily via Bluetooth to your phone or computer, it effortlessly provides real-time translations during calls or meetings. No cables needed, just snap it on magnetically, pair via Bluetooth, and you're good to go. It instantly translates conversations in real time, supporting 200 languages, turning awkward multilingual calls into smooth chats. Beyond real-time voice translation, the Lingo Genie app keeps track of your translation history and even organizes translations into a handy mind map. Snap a photo of ingredients, signs, or any text you find, and the app translates instantly, perfect for navigating unfamiliar places. Plus, with advanced encryption technology, your data stays completely secure and private, never uploaded to external servers. DJI just dropped something creators have been waiting for, the DJI Mic Mini. Finally, a budget-friendly version of DJI's premium wireless microphones. The ultralight mic weighs only 10 grams, making it super comfortable and discreet, perfect for interviews, vlogs, or streaming. With a detailed noise-canceling sound and a massive 400-meter wireless transmission range, the Mic Mini guarantees crystal clear audio even in crowded, noisy environments. Plus, it can run up to 10 hours on a single charge, so you can record all day without worries. The Mic Mini connects directly with Osmo cams without needing an extra receiver. Plus, automatic audio limiting ensures your sound stays smooth and professional. No more unexpected volume spikes. Wondering why this Kingston flash drive has numbers on it? Nope, it doesn't make calls. It's actually secured by your personal PIN. It's built to protect your data, offering encrypted storage ranging from 16 gigabytes up to 512 gigabytes. Simply set your own PIN code and your file stays safe from brute force and bad USB attacks. ZenWatch is a futuristic wearable that promises to turn your hand into a controller for all your devices. Using air gestures, it allows you to interact with screens, VR glasses, smart home systems, and more, making it feel like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. According to the promo videos, ZenWatch can manage smart screens, control VR glasses, and even replace traditional keyboards with mid-air typing. It connects to Android, iOS, Windows, Mac OS, and smart home devices with automatic pairing when you're nearby. The idea is that you can swipe, tap, and type without touching anything thanks to its built-in LiDAR and motion tracking, but how well this works in real life remains to be seen as the device is still in development. If you suddenly decide to visit a sauna in the middle of the day, it wouldn't hurt to have a watch specially made for it. This rugged watch comes with a convenient 12-minute timer, making sure you don't accidentally stay too long. Plus, it's waterproof up to 5 atmospheres, making it suitable for swimming as well. If you're not a sauna fan, there's another unique watch option designed to resemble the computer interface used by the Apollo 11 astronauts who landed on the moon. The watch features a fully functioning interface, although the buttons are mainly decorative with a working digital display showing the current time. Its steel casing makes it durable enough for any adventure, even a lunar expedition. Looking for a dedicated writing device without distractions? Pomera is a compact, distraction-free typing gadget made just for writing. It eliminates notifications and pop-ups to help maintain your focus. Lightweight and portable, it easily fits into any bag, allowing you to type on the go. Just open it and you're instantly ready to write, enjoying up to 20 hours of battery life. It features a familiar US keyboard layout for smooth, quiet typing. However, the font size on its LCD screen is quite small, which might not suit everyone, especially during long sessions. Despite useful editing features like spell check, copy-paste, and file management, its price point, even with a discount starting from $424, is a bit steep for what essentially is a dedicated mini typewriter. For creators and digital artists, the VSN1 may be your new best friend for seamless hands-on control over your workflow. This pocket-sized modular controller from Grid isn't just portable, it transforms the way you interact with your favorite software, instruments, and smart devices. Unlike the Elgato Stream Deck Neo that's ideal for quick launching apps and websites with customizable shortcut keys, the VS1 offers deeper hands-on modular control, perfect for music production, photo editing, or video projects. The VS1 replaces cumbersome shortcuts with intuitive controls. Its tactile knobs let you smoothly adjust brush sizes, scrub timelines, or tweak audio effects effortlessly. Plus, the built-in screen displays key metadata, keeping you informed without interrupting your creative flow. You can also connect and customize modules magnetically and expand your setup whenever you want. Swap keycaps, customize screen layouts, and program buttons exactly how you like. Every aspect is yours to tailor. The Ulefone Armor Mini 20 Pro isn't your typical smartphone. It's tough, compact, and nearly indestructible. Slightly bigger than a credit card, it comfortably fits in your pocket while handling anything life throws at it. With IP68 and IP69K certifications, it shrugs off water, dust, and even drops from impressive heights. But what really sets it apart is its incredible 64-megapixel night vision camera. Mounted on a holder, and it instantly transforms into a wearable security camera, capturing clear video even in pitch-black conditions. Try that with your average smartphone. For everyday shots, you've got a crisp 50-megapixel main camera, plus the phone runs smoothly on Android 14, features dual SIM 5G support, and boasts precise navigation using 5 satellite systems. Just keep in mind, it plays well with carriers like T-Mobile and Mint, but won't connect to CDMA networks like AT&T, Verizon, or Xfinity. Ever seen a fully transparent surge protector? This one not only lets you see its inner workings, but also claims to be waterproof. It's compact, portable, and designed for both travel and workplace setups. Each AC outlet has its own isolated waterproof chamber, preventing water from reaching energized components. Unlike traditional power strips, its spring-loaded copper blades stay sealed until a plug is inserted. Sounds impressive, right? But here's the catch. There's no mention of its Joule rating, which is one of the most critical factors when choosing a surge protector. Without that info, it's hard to say how well it actually protects your devices from voltage spikes. At its core, this is essentially a waterproof power strip with a cool, transparent design. This isn't just another laptop stand, it's a premium accessory from Logitech. The Casa pop-up desk is designed for those who want both functionality and style in their workspace. First off, it supports laptops from 10 to 17 inches and works with different operation systems. But why mention operating systems? Because this kit isn't just a stand, it comes with a wireless keyboard and touchpad, solving the problem of uncomfortable typing when your laptop's elevated. Everything is neatly stored inside the stand itself, creating a compact book-like case when folded. This is a premium work-from-home setup with a premium price tag, $180. Imagine a smartphone for your pet. That's exactly what PetPhone is. This isn't just a GPS tracker, it's a fully functional device that attaches like a collar and lets you call your pet anytime. If they wander too far, you can give them a command to come home or follow you. It works in over 200 countries, so whether you're at home or traveling, you'll always know exactly where your furry friend is. Beyond tracking, PetPhone can also comfort your pet by playing their favorite music or even calling them on a schedule. Perfect for feeding times or routine check-ins. Everything's controlled straight from your smartphone, allowing you to monitor movement, activity, and behavior in just a few taps. Unfortunately, it's not available for purchase yet, but soon you'll be able to call your pet and listen to them not answering.